Hi besties, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to a new video. If you're new here, hi, I'm Isa. I hope you stay subscribed. I do a lot of lifestyle / book related videos. So if you like that, go ahead and click the button down below. But first I want to thank today's sponsor, which is Karma. So thank you Karma for sponsoring a portion of today's video. I'm going to talk about them in just a sec. But first, today I'm going to be doing a kind of like a book haul / PR unboxing because I have quite a few books that have been sent to me, and I also bought some books, so basically book haul / unboxing kind of thing, PR haul as well. I don't know, but yeah, that's what we're gonna do today. Don't forget to subscribe down below and turn on the notification bell so you get notified when I upload more videos. And let's go ahead and talk about Karma. So you guys, let's talk about today's sponsor, which is Karma. So thank you Karma for sponsoring a portion of today's video. If you have followed me for a while, you have probably seen Karma in other videos. So I'm so happy to be working with them again today. So if you didn't know, Karma is an all-in-one virtual shopping assistant that saves you time and money, and they have the coolest features. So this is how you can download the free Google Chrome extension. It is super easy to use. And it is so nice that they have this Google Chrome extension because in my case, I have always used like the Google Chrome browser. So it is so nice to have the Google Chrome extension, and it is very easy to download. So after you download Karma, it can help you in 3 ways. First, it automatically finds and applies the best coupon codes for you at checkout, which is my personal favorite. I actually just used Karma a few days ago for like the Sephora spring sale, and it was amazing. I saved 15% off my order, which was great. Second, you can plan and organize your shopping by saving items that you like from over 50,000 stores into shopping list. This is how I do it. It is so easy to do. You just go to your product and add them to your favorite shopping list right from Karma. And you can get real-time price drop and back in stock notifications on items that you've saved on your Karma list. And lastly, which is a very cool feature, you can earn cashback on purchases. So when you download Karma, you can go to the cashback option feature and you can see all the stores that can apply in cashback, and they have a bunch of stores. So that is so great, and I have been using Karma for many months now, and it is great. I always use it on my purchases, online purchases, and I cannot wait to keep using it. So if you want to download the free Karma Google Chrome extension, the link is going to be down below in the description. And again, thank you Karma for sponsoring today's video. So yeah, let's get into today's book haul. Okay guys, let's start the haul. I have all the books here. I don't have them in like their boxes and packages because I am very impatient. So basically just gonna be a haul. I'm gonna pick from these 2 stacks of books and I'm just going to start showing the books. So let's start with the first in this book stack here. So the first one I have here is All Roads Lead Here by Mariana Zapata, and this was actually a birthday present from my boyfriend. My birthday was in March and he got me this book and I am so excited to read it. You guys know that I always talk about how I want to read books by Mariana Zapata, but yeah, I currently have like 3 books by this author, I believe. I'm someday going to read them, but this is the first book. Funny enough, I have another Mariana Zapata book, wait for it, and I think I bought this like a few months ago actually. I don't remember like when exactly, but I know that I bought this. I usually get all my books from Amazon because I live in Panama and it is really like, you can't find these books in Panama, like you can't. And I usually just buy from Amazon because of the shipping and how good it is. So yeah, don't come at me for that. When I have the chance, I try to buy from local bookstores in the US. So yeah, but I got this from Amazon. But yeah, so I have Wait for It, All Roads Lead Here, and The Wall, Winnipeg and Me. Okay, so next up is actually a PR package, basically. So I was sent these 2 books. So a lot of these PR books are from Valentine PR. They're kind of like a management team company So thank you so much, Valentine PR, for sending me books. It's so incredible. So I have these two books, which I'm guessing are part of a series or duology or some kind of thing. So I'm not sure which one is the first one. So the blue one I have here is called Say It's Forever by A.L. Jackson. That's the author. Look at this cover. This cover is so pretty. Okay, and the other one is called Give Me a Reason. Same author. Oh my gosh. Like, these covers, so pretty. I'm obsessed with covers that have like artwork or just like abstract things. I'm over the people on the covers lately. I love this. Love this. Okay, I'm guessing this is a dark romance because from the back of the book, it says, a girl like her didn't belong in a place like this. She'd get ripped to shreds, most likely by me. Dark, dangerous. Okay, yeah. Guessing this is a dark romance, and now I'm excited to read it. I need to start reading the back of the books, like the synopsis of books. I usually never do it. I need to start doing that. Okay, next I have a book here that I am actually very excited to read. This book is by R.R. Carter, and it's a fantasy book. It's called Born of Fire, and it's the first one, I believe, because it says volume 1. This is the book. A little note here, it says, I hope this package finds you well. Here's the physical copy of Born of Fire. I never write on the books I send as ARCs. This way, if you don't love it, you can pass it on to the friend, enemy, or library of your choice. All the best, R.R. Carter. Thank you so much. I'm really excited to read it. So I'm going to read a little bit of the back of the book. It says, the nightmares are back. Years after the deaths of his parents, the dreams that haunted Jax have returned. He's about to discover why by being burnt alive, just like they were. The lore is real. Witches, werewolves, nymphs, and even dragons exist among us. You guys know I'm just a sucker for mythical creatures, everything that has to do with, like, I don't know, werewolves, vampires, witches, like, but thank you, I'm so excited. Okay, next up from Valentine PR, thank you so much for sending me books, is this book called Sneaking Around with Number 34. I'm guessing this is a hockey sports romance, and the author is Piper Rain. I'm going to cover it's a man on the cover, but nearly naked, just in case. So this is the book. Yeah, I'm guessing this is a sports romance. So excited. Okay. Next one is by Ariana Booth and The Brightest Light. It's a contemporary romance. This cover, you guys. This cover is so pretty. The Brightest Light, contemporary romance, and I'm gonna read a little bit of the back of the book. All Libby has ever wanted is to live a normal life, but her life has never really been hers to live. Oh my gosh, this is gonna be sad. A disease-ridden heart has left her feeling lost with no direction. After she survives an attempt on her life, she realizes that she is getting another shot at being alive, and it's not meant to be wasted. With the help of her counselor, Porter, she decides it's time for her to stand up to her mother and pave her own path in this world with the little time that she has left. I just know and feel that this book is gonna be so sad. So heart-wrenching and sad. Like that type of, like, All the Bright Places or like The Fault in Our Stars kind of books. The Last Eligible Billionaire by Pipa Grant. I'm so sorry if I'm pronouncing your name incorrectly. So yeah, this is the book. Short, love the cover. Kind of like that cartoonish rom-com cover. Emotionally unavailable, doesn't even begin to describe my new fake boyfriend. You got me at fake boyfriend. Grumpy Sunshine with fake boyfriend and what it looks like a really cute rom-com. So next up I have by Sarah Gran, The Book of the Most Precious Substance. So this is the book. It's honestly like really tall. Next one is by Tia Lewis and this is called Fearless. I think I have another book buy her somewhere, but I don't know. This is Fearless by Tia Lewis. Okay, so kind of like a dark, spicy romance. What I'm getting. Next up, I have 2 books by Kathy Lockhart, and she sent me both of her books. I believe these are in the same series. So this one is Fatal Cure. I don't know which one comes first. And this one is Deadly Illusion. So, okay, so these next books were actually in my Amazon wishlist a while back, and the author saw them in my Amazon wishlist and she got them for me. So this is, the author is Emma St. Clair, and she got me 2 of her books. The first one is The Buy-In, which I think I've heard about this book before, I believe. And this one, Falling for Your Best Friend's Twin. Oh my gosh, I am very excited to read these. Next up, I have by Catherine Coles. I think that's how you pronounce that. This is the first cover, I believe. This is the other one. Anyways, thank you. The covers are beautiful. Okay, so that is all for like the PR haul. So books that were sent to me. Now let's get to the books that I bought. Okay, so the first book that I have here that I am going to read very soon, and I'm really excited because I've heard amazing reviews, is Things We Never Got Over by Lucy Score. This book has been all over Book Talk, all over Bookstagram, and the cover, oh my gosh. This cover is one of my favorite covers ever. I just love it. Every single thing about this cover I love. I love how the title looks kind of like painted, and the flowers, oh, so beautiful. Then I also got The Worst Best Man by Mia Sosa. I've also heard amazing things about this book, that it's really funny and like a rom-com kind of thing, but I think it's a little bit like spicy at the same time, I think. So I'm really excited to read this. And the last one that I already read is Hook, Line, and Sinker by Tessa Bailey, and I loved this book. I loved it. I'm not going to give you any ratings yet because I'm going to do a monthly reading wrap-up, but yeah, this one was very good. Very happy that I bought this book. Now for like a bunch that is basically a series. These are heavy. Okay, so I have 6 books in a series. Can you guys guess which series that I just read? I bought every single book in the Brutal Birthright series. This is like my second favorite series ever so far. Like I'm in love with this world. This series is by Sophie Lark, and the first one is Brutal Prince. Go to my monthly reading wrap-up for March, and I gave all my thoughts, how to read the books and everything over there. Oh my gosh. The second book is Stolen Air. I think this is my favorite book from the entire series. Like, I was mesmerized by this book. Savage Lover, book number 3, is the 4th book, and so good. It's a second chance romance, the only second chance romance in the entire series, and it's just so good, so good. Book number 5 is Broken Vow, and the last one, which was so sad and tragic but overall amazing, is Heavy Crown, book number 6, finale of the entire series. After you read this series, there is actually kind of, I don't know if it's a spin-off, but basically another series called the Kingmaker series, that the characters on that series are basically the children of the couples of the Brutal Birthright series. So yeah. So with that being said, who do you think bought the first 3 books of the Kingmaker series? And not only did I buy the paperbacks, I bought the limited edition paperbacks, and I am obsessed. You guys, I can't even tell you how obsessed I am with these covers. Oh my gosh. Okay, so the first book is The Air. But you look at this. Oh my gosh. I love it. I love it so much. So next one in the series is The Rebel, and so pretty. And then comes The Bully. So you guys, this is the end of the video. This is the end of the haul. Those are all the books that I got. and all the books that were sent to me. Again, thank you so much Karma for sponsoring a portion of today's video. Make sure to click the link down below if you want to download the free Google Chrome extension. They honestly save my life so much every time I shop online. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you want more videos, make sure to subscribe down below and turn on the notification bell so you get notified when I upload more videos. And I will probably see you Saturday with a new video. Stay tuned. But yeah, I will see you then. Bye!
Oh, corks and bottles, ready to pop out. Oh, no more crying. We are knocking out another year of new loves.